This exhaust system, there's the enclosure exits out to that hose. That hose comes into a Y because I have a second machine here, so I want to exhaust them both. Fortunately, the enclosure came with this little plug, so I put the plug in there when I am running the 20-watt machine. If you follow this tube underneath, it comes to this 95 CFM fan with one of my syringes behind it, and that's just blowing it out the bottom of the garage door. That's not a very effective system, so we are going to make it mo better. The plan is in the following phases. Step one, I'm gonna drill a hole in this wall with a massive tool. Then step two is I'm going to insert this 4-inch diameter vent into said hole. Step three is to secure it in that hole with caulking. Step three is going to be to put that 95 CFM fan into here ahead of my Y pipe. I am then going to put my 195 CFM fan, that fella right there, just ahead of the vent. So I'm going to have a sequential thing going on here and take it to the wall and then exhaust that outside so I can keep the garage door closed and it can stay much warmer in here. So every plan needs to be executed. And sometimes you need tools. And sometimes you need big tools. Here is to show which direction this fan goes in. So I've got a small marker here, and just gonna mark that is the direction of the airflow, just in case I get doing something else and I put this thing in backwards, and that makes for unpleasantness. So another part of this actual plan is to strap this to the wall. To that end, I have some actual strapping. So like I even planned ahead strapping material, which is going to go around the fan and then get screwed into the wall to secure that into a fixed position. Our expandable vent material. So that the plan would be, I'm going to put it on this fan. I'm going to secure it with some tape because I just found that that'll just keep it in place while I'm doing the thing with the strapping. Same thing with this guy. We are going to secure that, put that over here against that piece of wood, and maybe here. Yeah, see? Something like that, because I have to get to my actual exhaust area, and I gotta leave a little bit of room. So I have fans working. I have a 2-stage exhaust system for my 2 units. Of course, I've got the small one down there just to get it out of the way, and this one because things were connected. I had to readjust the pipe a little bit. It got a little bit twisted up as I was twisting the stuff onto the first fan there, but that was no big deal. If I were to do this over again, which I have no intention of, I would have dry fit all of these components together, so I would have had all my pipes measured out and ready to go, and then I would have connected those to the fan units and to this Y pipe here prior to attaching anything to a wall. It's just awkward. Plus I left the table in the way, so not the best way to go about it. However, we have achieved a level of success in that I have what I had set out to create. I've used a significant amount of duct tape, so looking for my Steve Smith Award this year. Christmas is coming, and hopefully that will keep the smoke and the fumes out of the house, because my wife does have a very sensitive nose. She tells me all the time. And here we go, on to production. Right, so I've got both fans going, and I've got the plug in the Y pipe. I'm gonna open this up a little bit, see if that's helping control. Now, I'm hoping that you can see this. Let's take the phone out of the holder. The smoke is definitely being drawn over towards the port there. It's not choking us out here quite as badly as it had done, so definitely this is a satisfactory result for the exhaust system that I built. I think that the larger CFM fan is making a huge difference. But again, it's a two-stage thing. Putting this plug back into there, again, probably makes a world of difference, giving all of that suction to that one exit port. So, is all right. Could be a good day. Another milestone for me today. I've got both machines running. Haven't figured out how to possibly run them both from the same program, as in both running XCS or both running Lightburn. So what I've got is one running Lightburn and the other one running on XCS from the same laptop. So that's a plus in terms of production.